Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build Toy Freddy out of Lego. This is a really cool build where its arms, legs, head, and mouth can all rotate or move. Anyways, this is a really cool build and in my opinion, very accurate. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that is complete, let's go ahead and assemble Toy Freddy. Let's first take these two pieces right here and attach them. Now we take the legs, so that way there are bricks sticking out like this. Now we take the hands and we attach them to these joints. We then take the head, and recommendation, please put it on gently. And if you are also planning on taking it off, then also gently take it off. Anyways, this is Toy Freddy. This is kind of like a Christmas gift for all of you people. And it's kind of ironic that it's called Toy Freddy in a celebration and festival where toys are a very important thing. And I would really appreciate it if you subscribe, because this was a really difficult build to make. These brown pieces aren't easy to find, and I basically have none left. Like, comment, and subscribe for more LEGO FNAF content like this one. And if you really like it, then you can tell me what other FNAF content you want me to see build. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.